What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating another fun eye look, another colorful eye look for deep set eyes. I've got some tips in here on how to create a nice colorful look using neutrals and obviously bright colors as well, and it'll totally enhance the shape of your deep set eyes. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. So I really enjoyed the way the cream contour looked on my eyes using that as a base. So I'm going to start with that again today, except we're going to put it in a different spot. So I'm just going to take a flat brush. I'm going to go in with my Halo contour wand in the shade light medium, and I'm just going to take a small amount, not as much as I did for the lid space, because I really want to just kind of lift the brow bone area. So we have this like shadow here where the eye is kind of turning downwards, so I just want to start placing it on the outer area in an upward motion. And we're just going to kind of camouflage that shadow of the brow bone that's going down. You can go over the brow. You can even intensify this by adding some concealer under here. I'm just going to go in with my Gwen Stefani Simple Kind of Life palette. This has really pretty neutrals in here. We got some cooler ones, some peachier ones, warmer ones. So I'm going to go in with the warmer shade and that same flat brush. And I'm just going to kind of follow along and just lightly pat on the lid. Kind of go a little further down, so we're getting like the brightness here, but it's on an angle. Now we can even just go in with a fluffy brush and back in with that warm tone and just kind of soften it up through to the brow, going in that diagonal motions. I'm going to take it in right here. I'm gonna add a little bit of concealer to my lid just to add a base for the brighter colors. This is the Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer with Aloe Vera in the shade light medium, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to the lid. Now for the colored part of the look on the lids, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Summer in Saint Tropez. I will check online and try to link this for you guys if I can find it. So we are going to go in with Jet Set, which is this nice deep orange red tone. And I'm just going to go in with the smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to start applying that to the outer part of the lid. With bright colors, if you are just a little bit apprehensive about bright colors, as I am, I don't really enjoy wearing them that often, but you want to, it's nice just to apply it to the lid. Leave your brow bone area, especially if you have a larger one like mine, deep set eyes, leave that neutral, and then it won't feel so dramatic. That looks beautiful together. And just, we put the neutral tone up on the lid and did the lifted look, so now we have all that lid space, and it's just popping really nicely when our eyes are open. We're just getting that hint. Now I'm just going to go in with this dome brush. It's a little bit more dense, so to pick up some more pigment, I am going to go in with Crepe right there, which is like a warm golden yellow tone. It's got a lot of depth to it. So we're gonna go in right beside, and we're gonna have like this duo color on our lid. I'm gonna go back into Jet Set and just kind of blend it through so that the colors melt together. That looks stunning together. I am going to go back into the Simple Kind of Life palette. I'm going to go into the cooler neutral now and just a squared off brush, and I'm going to take that underneath my lower lash line. I'm obsessed with the way the neutrals look with this bright pop of color. It almost makes your bright colors look a lot better and just pop more when you have a lot of neutral tones around them, as opposed to doing a look that is all bright. And I just fluff that out a bit. I did go in with some concealer and just a flat brush and just clean up that outer corner of the eye and just make it look really lifted. I'm just gonna take my pinky finger, I'm gonna go into the shimmer shade Coastline right here. This has some like turquoise undertones, gold undertones in it, and I'm just going to pop that right in the inner corner. I tight-lined, I added a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna go with Tower 28 Bronzino in the shade West Coast. I just wanna apply a little bit more shimmer bronze to my cheeks to really tie the golden in together, the golden look. I'm going to do some searching on the internet to find this palette for you guys, and I will link it in the description box below. I love the way this came out. Again, use a lot of neutrals on the brow underneath and then go in with your color on the lid. It'll just make it pop that much more and not be too overwhelming if you are more into using neutral tones for your makeup looks, but I think this looks really beautiful for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.